This is KARL-JAMES Langford at Nant-y-Gwyddon again, and we're back to where we were a few moments ago in the previous video one. So one thing I was really interested in here was that you've got a fantastic vista heading all the way down to Treorchy in the distance, all the way down to Treherbert, and then you've got the Rhondda Fawr. So interesting enough, you've got an area where you've got some interesting pieces of archaeology. So you've got this wall along here, and you've got this other building sort of annexed to it that we've got like this sort of entrance way into it, sort of fairly big rectangular building running all the way from there, running all the way across, at least about 20 meters in length. What's interesting, you've got this wall, this boundary wall dated from at least the 1800s, and then you've got these little circular structures. Well, this comes all the way, this would have come all the way along here. There's some more of it shooting all the way probably into this bit. This has all been quarried out. This is a round stone structure. I've got my Morians behind me wanting to say it's Iron Age, but it's a round stone structure, and later on it's been reused with this linear structure along it. So it's KARL-JAMES Langford, Nant-y-Gwyddon, video 2, Archaeology Cymru, Rhondda, Seeker's Search. Thank you very much.